Basketball, you betcha I'm back in the building. It's the Daily Trainer, and I don't stop and I won't stop until you get better at this game we love so much called basketball. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Right there at the bottom, you know what to do. And here we go. Right into it. We're going to go with 2-ball dribbling. Oh, yeah. I want that low pound. I want that mid pound. I want that high pound. You're going to be stationary first. Then you're going to move forward with that basketball. Don't forget about the rhythm. The rhythm of the dribble is key and also important to what your skill set is going to be based on how hard you're working. Then we're going to move with the ball. So make sure we're moving with the ball, also with the low, the mid, and the high pound. Then after we do that, we are going to get that different cadence dribble or shotgun dribbling, whichever one you like to call it, where we're going to go low, mid, and high on that as well. Stationary first, and then we have our walking with the basketball. I don't really want you to run when you're doing the 2-ball dribbling, just more or less the 2-ball dribbling where you're understanding the rhythm and the pound of the dribble. Okay, it's more of like a warm-up for you. And then speaking of warming up, we're going to get to jumping. Okay, so lower that rim if you got one and try to lower it a little bit. We're going to practice some dunking. So we're going to practice our takeoff. As you see right here on the video, we're going to go off one leg a couple times. We're going to go off one leg and try to dunk it with 2. We're going to try to go off with 2, dunk it with 1. And we're going to go try to jump off 2 and dunk it with 2. This is just more of getting you to elevate off the ground with the ball in your hand. Okay, I know we're not going to be dunking anytime soon for most of us, but it's not about dunking. It's about elevating and finishing. Okay, so I'm kind of tricking your mind to practice jumping as well as working on your finishing. Okay, and getting that feeling of what being above the rim feels like, so that is a goal that you work towards. Okay, basketball, you don't hate me for this. We're going to go right and we're going to go on the left side. Now, you don't have to try to dunk with your left hand if you're right-handed. You just got to work on a different takeoff on that side. And, it's a little bit difficult when it's the opposite hand on the opposite side because you got to turn your body. So that even trains your body on how to turn and dunk it like MJ with his tongue out. Okay, basketball, that's going to be a little bit of a tiring drill. So I want you to go to the free throw line real quick after doing all that jumping, and you are going to shoot 5 free throws, and then you are going to go get a nice sip of water. Okay, because you deserve that. Basketball, you put that water down and let's go. All right, so now we're going to get right into our agility drills. Oh, yeah, some more jumping and moving around. So we got our 2-foot hops. We got our 1-leg hops. Okay, make sure we get that in. We got our W drill where we're going up the cone, down the cone, up the cone, down the cone. Okay, and that's where we're working those feet in a different, like almost like a football drill. Okay, then we got our quick feet, but we're moving around the cone, short distance. And we're going to move up and around, short. And this is more of a soccer drill that I've seen that I think that will work with our quick feet and our footwork, especially when it's trying to get down for a layup or trying to shift your feet quick for a jump shot. This is a drill that actually would work really well for you. Also, another drill that I like is the hurdle jumps where you're going to jump and get those knees up. Okay, get those knees up. And that'll be a good agility drill for you as well. And then what I would like to see is our broad jumps. Okay, so you're going to jump off 2 feet, land firmly under control, and you're going to do 5 of those. Okay, 3 sets of those. Okay, so all of these drills we're going to do at least 5 times, and then the broad jumps you're going to do three sets of 5. Okay, so basketball, them legs are going to be a little tight, but you'll be all right. Okay, then we're going to do our agility down on the baseline where we got our quick feet going up and over the cones. Okay, then we got our 2 feet going. Then we got our side to side. Then we also have our square jump. Okay, so we're gonna go one leg square jump. We haven't done that in a while, and I want those calves and those Achilles burning a little bit. So we gotta do it. We got to. So I'm excited about that for you. And just thinking about the jumping aspect, that's why I kind of want you to do it. Kill those legs just a little bit today. And we're going to do some defensive stuff right after this. And I know in your mind, you're like, man, when are we going to pick up this basketball? Well, we're going to pick it up again. Don't worry about it. But you need to pick it up, my friend, because if that's what you're worried about, then you're not focused on the drill. So let's go. Okay. If you are getting tired, okay, just take a little bit of extra time on your break and then get right back to it. There's nothing to it but to do it. Also, you can go get water and then come right back to it. Pause the video, or don't pause it at all. Let it keep rolling while I'm talking this motivational goodness in your ear. All right, Basketball U, I appreciate you for working so hard each and every day. After you do this drill, I want you to shoot 5 free throws again, and then we're gonna get into our defense. Oh yeah. With defense comes a little bit of toughness. So that's definitely what I want to see as you continue to progress as a good defender. We're going to start right away with our defensive slides from the baseline, going up to the hash mark, going back, going up to the hash mark, going back. Then we're going to do our key to key drill 3 times. The goal is 20. The goal is 20. So I hope you're getting 20. You got 19 last week. Hope we can get 20 this week. Okay. It's going to be great. We got to be great. We got to do it. Okay, some of you probably already surpassed 20. That's great. Keep going. Keep going to a number that you can't reach and then try to beat that. All right. So remember, it's going to be 30 seconds. Trying to get 20 touches on each side. Okay. And then you're doing that 3 times. Then we're going to do my favorite where you sprint up, you slide over, you slide back, back pedal. You deny the pass, then you deny the back door, then you slide out and you sprint. Okay. So we're going to do that one as well. Then I want to do the sprint up the perimeter, slide down the middle, and then turn, slide out, and then sprint up again. Okay, so we're going to do all those defensive drills to start. If you need a break in between, shoot 2 free throws. Then we're going to go to our sprint and plant drill where we sprint, plant left, come across right, go back to the middle, and then back pedal back. We're going to do that 3 times on each side. You will be more than ready with all that defensive movement. Then what we're going to do after that is we're going to shoot some jump shots, and we're going to shoot our around the world. We're going to shoot our around the world 3s. Then we're going to shoot our dribble pull up 3s. And that, my friends, is your workout for today. I know you're thinking in your head, well, he probably forgot conditioning. I didn't forget conditioning. I think I worked your legs out enough today to where you don't need to. But we do have that extra work segment. So looking at that extra work segment, in the extra work segment, you can give me 5 liners, 500 jump ropes, and last but not least, you can give me 1 10 liner. I'm sorry, not 10 liner, 10 side liner with the basketball in your hand. Okay, so if you want to put in extra work, that's up to you. So that segment is called extra work. Basketball U, I'm gonna leave it to you. I appreciate you. Thank you for coming every day as we continue to make our mark. And we're almost on 365 days, which will be a full year of the grind to get better as a basketball player. It's the Daily Trainer. Like, comment, and don't forget to hit us up and ask questions below. See you tomorrow. I'm out of here, but don't forget this. Remember, someone's always working. Are you?